Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. I'm up here late cooking, feeling a little bit better, just not feeling too well, but I need to get dinner going tomorrow. So what I'm doing is making some potato salad. Now I do have a video of that already, but that one's made with mayo. This one's going to be made with Miracle Whip, more of the, I don't know, a lot of people uh, have this one more towards like barbecues and stuff. It's really good like that to have that with your barbecue, and it's just got that nice tang to it. And the other one is doesn't have all that sweetness and stuff in it. This isn't really sweet. It's a well balanced dressing that goes in it, and it's really good. I hope you guys go ahead and try it. But meanwhile, let's go ahead and jump in. I have 3 pounds of the Yukon Gold potatoes, but you use whatever you want. I like to eat the Yukon Golds because they're creamy and they hold their shape. And cut them all up. That's 3 pounds. Cut them as big, as little as you want them. I'm just doing little bite size here. Okay, and you do. I did bake these because I don't like I do state that a lot actually in my other video. I don't like a runny potato salad. So I do what I can to prevent that. So I bake my potatoes and I drain my stuff off of my vegetables. I put it in a little strainer. I'll show you that here in a minute. All that stuff comes off, and just, if you like a real thin salad, you don't got to drain or do none of this. Just boil them like you usually do. But I just don't like it. So I do what I can to keep it creamy. But I'm just going to chop these up. Like I said, cut them however you like. And if you're not sure what 3 pounds is, it's normally 3 medium potatoes per pound. So you would need like 9 medium potatoes. And if they're small, just add a couple more. But medium size. And I'm just gonna keep cutting here. Yeah, it's late, but I like to make this so it can sit and those flavors develop, because if you're familiar with salad, potato salad, you already know it's got to sit and develop flavors, and setting overnight definitely does that. If you eat it as soon as it's done, you are so missing out on the flavor that it truly can have. So please do let this set for several hours. Overnight is best. Get this before it falls on me. Alright. Just about done, and I'm thinking I may need a bigger bowl. And I'm going to make some of this this one here for 4th of July. You guys give this a try. It's really a good potato salad. It truly is. I like potato salad no matter how it's made, to be honest. Love potato salad. Okay. Now, make sure your potatoes are cooled, because if you go in, you hear people saying, this is just, my opinion. If you put in hot potatoes with mayo and everything on it, that steam is releasing in there and it's thinning out everything. So that's another thing that thins your salad out. So let these potatoes lose all their steam before you add anything to it. These are just barely warm enough to suck up that dressing. Okay, now here I have 1 1/3 cups of, let me get this out of the way, 1 1/3 cups of Miracle Whip. Need a spoon. Okay. I have here 3 tablespoons of mustard. Okay. Get that out of the way. I'm gonna do maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, and I have here a 3/4 teaspoons of table salt and 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt. We're just going to mix this up. Careful not to stir it too fast at first, because then your vinegar will come flying out of there. All right, this is some good dressing right here. Delicious. All right, let's get back over here. Trying to move fast here. Okay, now here's where I have my stuff draining. As you can see here, my bell pepper, my green onions, yeah, green onions I have in there. I have some sweet relish in, well, let me tell you what's in here, actually. In here, I have 1/2 cup of red bell pepper chopped up really well, okay? And I have 1 cup of chopped up celery chopped really well, 5 green onions chopped up really well, and I have 1 tablespoon of sweet relish, and I have 2 big tablespoons of dill relish. And that's what I have in here. And as you can see, what I do is leave this, I start this before I do anything. Chop everything up real good, and then here and there I'll press, because I want all those juices out. Yes, it's flavor, but like I say, it thins your salad out. Now look at all that mess that will go in your salad. See, all that thins it out. I don't like that. Okay, so let's throw this together, and I have 4 chopped up boiled eggs. So, I'm gonna add this to our taters. And here we have our dressing. It's gonna go right over that. Yummy, 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 yummy. Okay. And as I always say, guys, if I leave anything out, I'll pin it in the comments. Because I just go along here and sometimes I forget. This is a yummy dressing, delicious salad. But I'm going to get this stirred up, and I'll get it plated up or bowled up so you can see it. Silly me. Okay. Sorry about that. I forgot my eggs, guys. There's 4 chopped boiled eggs. And I'm going to get that stirred in there, okay? Okay, guys, there's the finished potato salad. And I got one of the eggs, a 5th egg I boiled actually, and just for garnish on top, and then I'll eat the rest. But anyways, taste it for salt. Adjust your salt. You know, you didn't have to put the 3/4 of a teaspoon like I did, but that's normally what I put in mine. But you guys didn't make you up a batch of this salad. I guarantee if you like a tangy, sort of sweet potato salad, you'll love this one. It's definitely good and full of flavor. So please subscribe, guys. As always, it helps support my channel. And until next time, we will see you guys later. And God bless. Enjoy the salad.